AcaWriter is a tool that provides instant feedback on your academic writing pieces. Here, I'll show you how to use the tool to get feedback on a research abstract. There are 3 simple steps to start using AcaWriter to improve your writing skills. First, you can start writing on the left panel, or you can copy and paste from your Word document. Once you have your text in place, click on the button on the middle of the screen called Get Feedback. Finally, AcaWriter will start analyzing your document and will mark your text. The feedback provided is based on recommendations from professional writers on the field. The structure is marked in different colors as explained on the screen. It looks like we covered most of the recommendations, but it seems to be missing something. You can go to the top and click on the Feedback tab. Here, it shows the results with a better explanation. It looks like the purpose of the paper is not clear enough. You can see recommendations on how to improve your abstract by going to the Resources tab. Here you can see examples of how to better communicate your ideas. We can copy some of these phrases and use them in your document. You can edit your document at any time and have as many versions as needed. Use the feedback button until you get it right. You don't have to worry about saving your document. AcaWriter will do it for you every time you make changes. You can go to acawriter.uts.edu.au and start becoming a better writer.